Hey everybody, this is Mr. Bush, and this is a video on how to calculate your letter grade from the grades that you see in Canvas. You can also use this to calculate your letter grade from the standards view that's in Student View. Here we go. So first thing you're going to do is click on your Grades tab. The Grades tab shows all of your grades. Important to note that it also shows your feedback. So if your teacher has left feedback, and in my class I always do every time that you don't have full credit, you can see that feedback by clicking on the icon that looks like a speech bubble. So you click on that real quick and it shows you what you turned in. The next thing that you can do is look at what the teacher left for your rubric. So you click on the icon that has a clipboard and it shows you how you scored on the rubric. In my class, you can redo anything up until the due date that's in the syllabus. This year, January 2023, all assignments are due by January 2023. And you can redo and turn in any assignment up until that due date if you don't receive full credit. There you go. So next, what you're going to do is go up to the tabs right here. There's the Assignments tab and the Learning Mastery tab. Click on the Learning Mastery tab, and it shows you all of the learning standards. Learning standards that are in the class. You'll notice that there's also behavior learning standards, and those don't count towards your letter grade. So this student right here, you got ALT 1, ALT 2, ALT 3, 4, 5, and 6, which I've written down right here. What you're going to do is you're going to calculate the average of those. So this one, ALT 1, we got a 1.53. ALT 2, student has a 2.05. ALT 3 is a 1. ALT 4 is not assessed yet, so that one's not going to count. ALT 5, they've got a 1, and ALT 6, they've got a 1.3. And like I said, behavior learning standards don't count towards the letter grade. So what you're going to do, you're going to add those up. 1.53 plus 2.05 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.3. And that gives a total of that. And then we're going to divide by 5 learning standards out of 6 because we haven't assessed ALT4. And that's going to give us a 1.376, which we are going to round up to 1.4. Now, Beaverton calculates a letter grade from those. You can find this linked on the syllabus page in my course. It is right down here. The following scale we use to determine the final letter grade. That scale is right here. This student would be receiving an I, or an incomplete. Now, like I said, you can redo, in my class, you can redo or turn in any missing work up until that end of the semester date. After then, you have to email me to ask to get those assignments opened back up. If you have any questions, please let me know.